everyone, welcome back to Tirupati Balaji Overseas. Today I am going to take interview of one of my student that will be really helpful for both general training and academic student. So let's start the interview. Let's start with the introductory part and that is on traveling. Do you travel a lot?
Yes, I like to travel in my leisure time because I think that it is an activity which we need to follow to reduce the stress. Yeah, I can say that I like to travel with my friends as well as family.
Where do you travel quite often?
Yeah, actually, there are few places nearby my hometown, so I like to travel all those places when I get a free time. But sometimes it is not possible for me to travel, so somehow I manage my time to travel those places. Those places may be one is the historic monument, which is just nearby my place, so I like to go there oftenly.
Do you find any difficulty while traveling?
Uh, I don't find any kind of difficulty while traveling, but I do think that there are so many factors which affect a traveler while traveling. Because first is the resources. Do if we have to travel, like if we want to commute from one place to another, there is a need of one kind of vehicle which helps to travel the particular distance. So sometimes it is a little bit problem for me because I don't have my own vehicle to travel. So I need to manage by booking some cab or using some public transport mediums for traveling.
Do you spend a lot of time sorry, do you spend a lot of money while traveling?
Actually, I'm a student, so I depend upon my family. So I don't try to spend a lot of money on traveling part. But when I go with my family, so all the expenses are borne by my parents. But uh, if I talk about I need to travel with my friends, then I make it within a budget and I try to get some kind of money from my parents or from my savings, which is the pocket money.
Is traveling expensive in your country?
Uh, Actually, it depends because this is a kind of subjective question and it depends on the situation, how we see the scenario while traveling. If we want to travel everything, like if we want to commute by planes, then traveling would be a little bit expensive for while traveling through planes. But I do think that it depends upon a person how they try to spend their money on these kind of activities. So it is a kind of thing which depends upon a particular which depends upon different types of people on different situations.
Now prepare your cue card, note it down. Describe an occasion when you ate a kind of food for
Mhm.
first time. The clues are
Yes.
when you had it, where you ate it, what it was, and how you felt about it. Your time starts now.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, start.
Okay. Yeah. So if I talk about in particular occasion when I ate that particular food item for the first time, then that would be on my friend's birthday, and I ate cheese mushroom Singapore spaghetti in a restaurant nearby my home. So this is a kind of new dish to me at that particular time, because I do think that I had eaten a lot of uh, spaghettis for a long of time, but I haven't tried cheese mushroom Singapore spaghetti, because as this name describes that there are so many ingredients to make this particular kind of noodles. So I ate it for the first time on his birthday, and I enjoyed it a lot because the taste of that dish was so delicious. And the chef who prepared that dish, he also told us about what is the process to boil the simple spaghetti noodles and how to make it within a given time. So I do think that this dish would be in the list of every restaurant menu, because this is the one of the most delicious dish, and it contains a lot of proteins and lot of we can say a lot of things which are good for our diet. So I tried this dish for the first time, and I felt overwhelmed after eating this dish. And although I like packed this dish after the end of his birthday party, and I took it for my parents at home.
That's fine. Okay, let's move on to the next part. That is the
Yes.
follow up part. Do you like to try new food?
Yes, I like to try new food, but not every time, because I do have my own perspective that what I want to eat on particular day or on particular occasions. But if the food is made by a chef or anything which contains a lot of things which are like new to me, like all those ingredients, then I try to find that I need to eat that particular dish for the first time.
What kind of foreign foods are popular in your country?
Okay. If I talk about the foreign food which is popular in my country, then that would be the Chinese. That will be sorry Chinese food, because the reason behind that is people in my country are fond of eating Chinese food. The reason behind that is this Chinese food is so spicy, as Indians like to eat spicy food a lot. Maybe they are from any of the state. It can be from the northern India or from the southern India. So Chinese food is in the top of the list, as well as it is so reasonable to buy. So I do think that Chinese food is one of the most prominent food in the buyers list nowadays in every restaurant.
Do you like to cook at home?
Actually, I don't get a chance to cook food at home, but when my parents are not at home, so I try to cook food. But mainly those things are new to me, so I try to watch a lot of videos on YouTube and try to make food when my parents are not home. But when that dish is some kind of I am good in that particular dish, then I try to make it on weekend with my parents, and they give me what kind of suggestions for the next time for that dish.
Okay. Is it expensive to eat out in your country?
Uh, Actually, it depends upon the quality of the restaurant, how they are serving the food. Actually, preparation of food is not so expensive, but serving the food is a little bit expensive nowadays, because there are so many facilities which are provided by the restaurants or the hotels. So if we eat food at any kind of five-star or any luxurious spot, then it will be kind of expensive thing for everyone. Not for everyone, for like it amounts to be expensive, because the cost to make that particular food is not a lot, but the cost to serving that food, those expensive matters. But if we eat food at any known place or at any place in our city or in the street market, then it is not so expensive. It is so reasonable that most of the people can buy it.
Okay, your interview is over.
Okay.
So, let me tell you the feedback.
Yes, ma'am.
इंट्रोडक्शन वॉज क्वाइट फाइन.
Okay.
बहुत अच्छे से आपने आंसर किया सभी क्वेश्चंस का. टास्क अचीवमेंट बिल्कुल अच्छे से फुलफिल किया आपने पूरे इंटरव्यू में। हर जगह आपने
Okay.
अच्छे से आंसर किया है हर क्वेश्चन का। बट देयर वर अ फ्यू
Okay.
मिस्टेक्स दैट कैन
Okay.
नॉट बी इग्नोर्ड।
Okay.
जैसे आपने बोला दैट वुड बी, दैट
Okay.
वुड बी, सो ये यहाँ पर रॉन्ग था। एक मिनट, मुझे जो मैंने क्वेश्चन सुना था आपसे ट्रैवल के लिए सुना था, तो आपने बोला दैट
Yes,
वुड
ma'am.
बी, तो वो
Okay.
रॉन्ग था। दैट वुड बी नहीं आएगा वहाँ पर, दैट वॉज होगा, ठीक है, या दैट इज़।
Okay.
फिर थोड़ा सा
Okay.
फंबल किया आपने, ठीक है। फिर
Okay.
उसके बाद है फॉर अ लॉन्ग टाइम, लॉन्ग ऑफ टाइम, ये थोड़ा सा मुझे समझ नहीं आया। फॉर अ लॉन्ग ऑफ टाइम, फॉर मैनी अ टाइम्स कह सकते थे आप, कि मैंने
Okay, ma'am.
पसंद किया, सॉरी, कि मैंने
Okay, ma'am.
बहुत बार स्पेगेटी खाई है, ठीक है। और ये स्पेगेटी वाले का
Okay.
ही था
In क्यू
जो
का.
आपने बोला था ना दैट वुड बी, तो वो नहीं, आपने वो
Okay.
भी
Okay.
नहीं
Okay.
कहना
Okay.
था, वो बोला था कि
अच्छा
दैट
अच्छा मैम.
वॉज, ठीक है, जो थी।
Okay, ma'am.
फिर उसके बाद है आपने बोला व्हाट काइंड ऑफ सजेशंस बाय माय पेरेंट्स, तो व्हाट काइंड ऑफ सजेशंस वहाँ पर
Mm-hmm.
रॉन्ग था, दैट वाज completely wrong, what kind of suggestions by my parents, वो लाइन थोड़ी
Okay.
incorrect थी।
Okay, ma'am.
I couldn't find any mistakes in your follow-up part. So it was a
Okay,
very
ma'am.
nice interview. You did your best, and I think that I would like to give you a band 7. And you can use different words, means you can use vocabulary a little more,
Okay, ma'am.
ठीक
Okay,
है।
ma'am.
वो आपको ज़रूरत है, थोड़ी सी आपको
Okay.
और चाहिए vocabulary। जैसे कि आप इसमें different
Okay,
words
ma'am.
यूज़ कर सकते थे, आप जैसे
Okay,
यूज़ कर
ma'am.
सकते थे गॉर्ज, ठीक है।
Okay.
तो ये मैं आपको वैसे बता रही हूँ कि आप कह सकते हो कि अगर आप बहुत ज़्यादा खाने के शौकीन हो, तो आप लालचियों की
Mm-hmm.
तरह खाते हो, ठूस ठूस कर खाते हो। आप ऐसे बता सकते हो कि मुझे मुझे इतना खाना इतना पसंद है कि अगर मेरी कोई फेवरेट
Okay.
डिश होती है तो मैं उसे ठूस ठूस कर खाना पसंद करता हूँ। ये बहुत लोगों के साथ ऐसा होता है कि वो क्या
Okay.
करते हैं, उन्हें जब कोई चीज़ पसंद आ जाती है ना, तो वो सोचते हैं कि
Yes,
चलो
ma'am.
इसको ओवर खा लिया जाए, कि
Overeating कर लेंगे.
आगे के टाइम में
Yes, ma'am.
हमें
Yes,
पछतावा
ma'am.
ना हो कि यार वो थोड़ी
Yes,
सी
ma'am.
रह गई थी, खा लेते, ठीक है। तो गॉर्ज आप यूज़ कर सकते
Yes,
हो,
ma'am.
GORGE, गॉर्ज। और एक वर्ड है सैशिएट, आप इसको भी यूज़ कर सकते हो, ठीक है।
Okay.
SATIATE, सैशिएट यूज़ कर सकते हो। अ,
Okay.
फिर आप जो है सैशिएट की स्पेलिंग मैंने शायद रॉन्ग बोल दी है,
No problem, ma'am.
या
Eight.
SATIATE, ठीक है। प्रोनाउंस करते वक्त थोड़ा
Okay.
सा गड़बड़ आ गई थी स्पेलिंग, लेकिन इसको
Okay,
आप
okay.
सैशिएट प्रोनाउंस करोगे, ठीक है। इसका मतलब क्या होता है कि सेटिस्फाई करना, जब आपकी हंगर को आप सेटिस्फाई करने के लिए यहाँ पे यूज़ कर सकते हो, ठीक
Okay.
है।
Okay.
तो ये वर्ड भी आप यूज़ कर सकते हो। अगर आप बहुत शौकीन हो खाने के, तो आप गूरमेट वर्ड यूज़
Mm-hmm.
कर सकते हो, ठीक है,
Okay.
GOURMET, गूरमेट, ठीक है।
Okay,
आप
ma'am.
फूडी भी कह सकते हो, और
Yes, foodie.
हाँ, फूडी भी कह सकते हो, गूरमेट भी कह सकते हो। आप एपेटाइज़र भी यूज़ कर सकते हो वर्ड, ठीक है। अगर आप
Mm.
कोई ऐसा बात कर रहे हो जो आपकी कंप्लीट मील की एक डिश होती है जो आप खाना चाहो पहले शुरुआत
Okay,
में,
ma'am.
जैसे सैलेड हो
Okay.
गया या क्रैकर्स हो
Mm-hmm.
गए, ठीक है। तो आप उसके लिए एपेटाइज़र यूज़ कर सकते हो, एपिटाइट यूज़ कर सकते हो आप भूख के लिए, ठीक है। तो
Mm-hmm.
ये हो गए कुछ अच्छे वर्ड्स जिनको आप अपनी स्पीकिंग में यूज़ कर सकते हो। तो आई होप गाइज दिस इन वीडियो विल बी वेरी इंफॉर्मेटिव फॉर यू ऑल, एंड please keep subscribing and do like, share my videos and comment on these also. Thank you so much. Bye bye.